Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today I'm going to show you what I found at my local OLLIE'S store. Now, I know a lot of us crocheters have been out and about checking out all of the new yarns that have been delivered to OLLIE'S, and some of us have different things than others, and some of us missed out on some things. So let's take a look at what the aisles look like at my OLLIE'S. So I went there this weekend and I got some things, but I was there about 2 weeks before that. I ended up finding two of these cute little nutcracker sets. And this is a kit that comes with the yarn and instructions to make this cute little nutcracker here. And then it also has the instructions for all of these characters here in a nice little book. And I have two of these. One I'm keeping for myself, and the other one I'm going to do a giveaway on. So keep an eye on my channel because I will do an unboxing of this cute little kit and a giveaway soon. So don't forget to keep an eye on things because this is a really cute set. So what I found at OLLIE'S I was really excited about. I got two of these beautiful Caron crystal cakes. Isn't that so gorgeous? I love the sparkles and the dark color. I thought that looked good with my skin and my hair. So I'm going to probably make a cardigan out of this or a poncho. I'm not really sure. This is 634 yards for one of these, and then it is 240 grams, 64% acrylic, 24% polyester, 7% nylon, and 5% metallic. And this is a medium weight 4. And I just thought this was gorgeous. I love the dark colors. And of course it has purple in it. I love purple and pink, if you haven't realized that already. So yay for these. And then I also got two of the latte cakes. I've never worked with these before. And these were $4.99 a piece. Both of these were $4.99 a piece. So about half price of what you would find at the store. And this one has 530 yards each. So I think I might make a little poncho with this one as well. And it's 58% acrylic and 42% nylon, and it's 250 grams. So I was pretty excited about that, and I love the lavender color in there. I thought a poncho would look really nice over like a white tank top or something like that. So I'm really looking forward to using these, and I'm also really looking forward to making this little nutcracker and for doing my giveaway with one of my little kits that I got here. So I hope you enjoyed my little quick OLLIE'S shopping trip and yarn haul, and I hope you have a great day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.